Okay, so as I mentioned before, a way to customize the certificate is using Microsoft Excel. In this case, I'm going to show you how it can be done. It could be done with a template, so I've created an Excel template which I call cert template. This is a CSV file that I have previously exported. So if we open this, what I've done is I've created on my first sheet how I want the certificate to look like. So I have the first, let's move this out of the way. We have a table with the basic information, a header as well. I've just called it ABC. And here has all the data, the test conditions, and a statement of traceability. All this data is populated by lookup tables. So if I click here, you will see that on the formula field is pointing to a lookup table. And so on, the same with the data. And even the same with this. So what I done is in the second sheet, this is the CSV file that was created by the C2000. So basically, if we open the CSV file, this is the CSV file created by the C2000, and it's exactly the same as the data, but in a CSV format. So what I've done is just select everything, copy, and paste in this page. Now, the lookups table, here is where I put all the information that is extracted from the data sheet. So if I see here, I can see that is extracted from this sheet. And basically that's how it works. So once I paste the data here, all the lookup tables work and it populates the front sheet. Obviously, in order to do this is easy because it's using lookup tables, but you need to construct the layouts in a way that there is consistency for the data when you save it. So when you record a log on the C2000, the data is always on the same columns and in the same channels. So for the different layout, possibly you will need to have always the same number of channels and have a way to be consistent on how you name the layouts as well and how the channels are called. So what I recommend is just create a master with all the channels that you think you will use, even with the spare channels. And then make each time that you create a new layout, just use a copy of the master layout. So you have all the channels always in the same position. And on the super panel, you just delete the displays that you don't use. The other way to customize the certificates is using VBA, which is Visual Basic for Application. With this way, is a bit of a programming language, so you will need a bit more skill to do that, but it's not difficult. If you go to Google, there are a lot of resources about VBA for applications. So if you Google VBA Excel, it will bring you a lot of resources about how to create macros using VBA. It's a bit more time consuming, but it's more flexible. So you have the possibility to create pretty much anything that you want, and you even create like a little program with an interface that runs in Excel to make with the possibility to load the CSV files and choose maybe different templates or the channels that you want to plot and create some graphs. So it's a more powerful tool, but requires more skill. Okay, I hope all of these helped you with the creation of customized certificates on the C2000. Thank you. And finally, this is how the certificate will look on a PDF format.